Hi, people. Welcome to my bathroom. The crazy guy. He's here, looking at his face again. Real photo pig I am, huh? Liking it. Still. Still liking it. Still got no gap. Still got no gap. I'm wondering if my swelling up and top has a lot to do with the fact that I wore a full denture for 30 years and the whole roof of my mouth was never really exposed to the elements. So, ready to do some picking? Yeah? Let's see what we can't get going here. I just went all around the outside, top and bottom. Now I'll go about a half a tank. Now I'll go around the inside. I've been sort of not putting too much pressure or too much angle up in top because I had that one plug that I went through and it started pushing out. I lost one here up in the front and my tongue still finds that one. It's one of those things. The tongue does what it wants to do. It really does. And right now it just wants to play with what's in my mouth. So there's a hole there. I got used to the pressure because when you have nothing in there and your tongue finds the hole and starts pushing on it, you can feel a little pressure up on the inside, almost like somebody's poking you with a toothpick or something. But this one's okay. The one in the back is okay. The one on the back here is okay. And all the ones on the bottom seem to be fine. So I'll just pick on the inside. It's amazing how much water your mouth can hold, especially when you're expecting to hold that much water. Looks pretty good so far. I did a little bit of pick. Now what I'll do is I'll try. I'm still having issues getting in on the top, so I found these guys are working pretty well for me. They're what do they call them? Threaders, I believe. I'll try the top this time and see what I can do here. Little difficult. Let me get the toothbrush out. I think the toothbrush works a little bit better holding my lip up than my fingers, because I got this this thing about putting my fingers in my mouth, but let's see. Go on. It's not working today. Why is it not working today? Let me try this again. See if I can guide it in there. Oh, look at that. Went right in. See that? Come on, Rick. There you go. All right. Now it's in and it's through. Now let me find the hole. All right. So I think this is it. Yeah, there we go. And it pulled right through. So what did I do? I got it all mixed up. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. And I hit post. And I got a post. And I cleaned it around. It's amazing that I got no gap there. Because I can feel it. I can feel the floss rubbing on my upper jaw, and I'm pulling it downward onto. Oh, there we go. All right. And then I shall try this to get it in the back now. And see how we go. Come on. I'm gonna try something different. Somebody had left another link to a different style threader, and I hit the post on the back side now. Boy, do I feel spastic. And then on the back one, so that I don't have to go back in my mouth, what I do is I take this tail right here and I bring it around the back side so that it comes around the back side of the rear post, and I can clean that at the same time as I do the rear here. But this isn't too bad. You know, I have no gap on the top. Because when I took the still pictures, I looked at it and I feel like a fat old man because I got rolls in there and the swelling's coming down some, but every time I eat, I irritate it and it swells back up again. Let's see, I gotta get this one here. Come on, Rick. No, it's going backward. Let's see. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. Yeah, if I was left-handed, it would be no problem, right? And if I had light, what the hell? Oh, yeah. See, it's got a bend in it now. Let me see. Come on. I can't see because the light is on the other side. All right. I can't feel it. Nope. All right. Well, I'm already 10 minutes into this thing. All right. Let's see. I'm going to pause the video, try and get it in, and I'll let you know how long it took me.